Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to complete the remaining part of your chapter Being Safe in Science. We have already learned some parts of this chapter, that means how can we save ourselves in the bus and on the road, what are safety rules. Now today I am going to teach you safety rules at home, at school and in the playground, and one more in the swimming pool. So let's see one by one. At home, what is the safety rules? Never play with fire. We should not play with fire. Okay, do not touch switches and plugs with wet hand. While your hand is wet, don't touch any switch, otherwise electric shock. Okay, electric shock will happen. Never touch sharp things like knives and blades. Okay, never touch any sharp thing like knives and blades, and do not jump on chair, tables, bed or sofa. This is very bad manners to jump on chair, table, beds or sofa. So don't jump. Okay. Now safety at school. There are so many children in the school, so we need to save here. So what is this safety rules? Do not push each other while moving up or down the stair. While going time on the stairs, don't push each other. Okay, do not push each other on swings while you going in the park in recess time. Then you should not push each other on swings. Okay, otherwise you may hurt. Now third one, do not climb or jump on desk and chair. Here also you should not jump on desk or climb on the desk and chair. Never run on the corridors. Okay, never run on in the corridors. If you run, then suddenly from other side someone will come and you both may have accident, you may hurt. So do not throw things at each other in class. Okay, keep your classroom clean, do not make them dirty. Okay, now here is given rubbish time. Encircle with a red crayon the object that can harm you. Here are some object given. You have to circle with red crayon which object that can harm you. So which is the sharp object? You should not play with sharp object like knives, okay, blades, cactus plant. Also, if you touch your finger, then what will happen? Your finger will hurt. You should not play with knives. You should not play with a broken glass. Okay, this is the so you have to circle this with red crayon. Now there are some safety in playground. What is the safety of playground? Wait patiently for your turn to play. In the park there are also so many children are playing, so keep patience, do not hurry. Okay, now wait for your turn to play. Follow the rules of the game. You have to follow the rules of the game also. Play in the playground and not on the road. We should not play on the road. Okay, always play in the playground. Do not hit anyone while playing time. Keep it in mind, do not hit anyone. Okay, otherwise you may hurt or he or she may hurt. Now safety in the swimming pool. How can you keep safe yourself in the swimming room? So do not go alone for a swim. Okay, always go with any elders Do not go alone for a swim. Do not swim in deep water. In deep water you have also you should not swim. Use a swimming tube if you are a learner. If you learn how to swim, that time you can use swimming tube. Okay. If someone get hurt, inform an elder around you. After using this safety rules, if anyone hurt, just inform them to your elders. So this is your chapter. Complete this chapter, and here are some rubbish question given here, so I completed today. Always walk on the dash, that means pavement or road. So we should not walk on road, we should always walk on pavement, that means roadside. Number 2, never play with dash, toys or blades. So we should play with toys, we should never play with blades. Okay. Do not dash on the bed and sofa. Okay. Do not jump or run. So correct answer is jump. So fill here. Do not play on road or ground. So correct answer is road. Completed. Now write one safety rules you should follow at home. What is the safety rules? Never play with sharp object or never play with fire. So I wrote here never play with fire. In school, what is the safety rules? Do not climb or jump on desk and chair. And what is the safety rules in the bus? Wait for the bus in a queue. Now in the playground, what is the safety rules? Follow the rules of the game. So there are some safety rules. We should all follow these safety rules. So complete this lesson and remember it. Thank you.